What is the first thing that you think of when you hear the word zombie? I think a zombie is an emotionless shell of a human. Zombies have only one thing on their mind. When are they going to get their next fix? When looking at how your brain normally functions, we see a huge byway of information flowing through neurons. There are three parts to a neuron. First is the transmitter that transmits dopamine to the receptor. The receptor receives the dopamine and interprets the signal being sent. The third is the synapse, which is the catalyst for the dopamine. In a healthy brain, pleasure is processed through the transference of dopamine. It is released by the transmitter and travels through the synapse and into the receptor, where it releases the chemical compound, creating the feeling of pleasure. It is then recycled back to the transmitter. Once the bath salts enter the bloodstream, it heads directly to the brain and into the synapse. The bath salts hitch a ride with the dopamine to the transmitter. The bath salts cause transmitters to flood the synapse with dopamine, and the bath salts block the transmitter from recycling the dopamine. The dopamine then floods the synapse, causing a feeling of euphoria. As tolerance builds, you need more of the substance to achieve the same high. Due to the lack of dopamine being created, there is less for the bath salts to attach themselves to. After prolonged use, the transmitters are destroyed, and the receptors recede back into the synapses.